Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize financial tools with Intuit, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial tools and identify specific needs. Research various Intuit products available, such as QuickBooks, TurboTax, and Mint. Download and install the selected Intuit software that suits your requirements. Create an account or log in to your existing Intuit account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface of the tool you are using. Customize your dashboard to display the most relevant information for your financial goals. Connect your bank accounts and financial institutions to the tool for real-time updates. Input your financial data, including income, expenses, and assets, to get a comprehensive overview. Set up categories for your transactions to track spending patterns more effectively. Utilize reporting features to analyze your financial data regularly. Explore automation options for recurring transactions to save time and reduce errors. Take advantage of educational resources, such as tutorials and webinars, offered by Intuit. Leverage mobile apps associated with Intuit products for on-the-go access to your finances. Set financial goals within the tool, making sure they are measurable and attainable. Regularly review your progress towards these goals to stay on track. Adjust your financial strategies based on insights gained from the tool's analysis. Seek support through Intuit's customer service if you encounter challenges. Stay updated on new features and enhancements released by Intuit to better optimize your tools. Integrate your financial tool with other software, like payment processors or customer relationship management systems, for better efficiency. Conduct periodic audits of your financial practices to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you will effectively optimize your financial tools with Intuit for enhanced financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.